Hello, Sir Ramil. Kumusta po? Redman Toys Raymond here. So, ito sir, testingin natin sir yung unit na order nyo. The Armorer Works HX2401 Airsoft Gas Blowback Pistol. Okay, so this is the wind velocity. 38 Super Comp. Parang super compensator or super competition. I don't know. Okay, basta ito yung may competition. Naka-fix outer barrel. Okay. Yan. Tapos, may compensator siya. Tapos, yung inner barrel niya sagad-sagad. Okay, so medyo high FPS siya at saka medyo very accurate. Okay, so yun. Alright. So, for this one, ito yung magazine niya. Silver color para sim sa WE. M92 silver, no? Tapos, sinigyan ko na ng bala. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10. Okay, so nilagyan ko na ng gas. Alright, so testingin natin. Then, padala ko na siya sa inyo. Okay? So, always remember to keep your trigger finger out. Make sure that the muzzle is always pointed at the safe direction. Okay? 0, 0. Alright? Inserting the magazine. Okay? Firing. 398.7. 395.7. 393.9 and 388.2. Okay? So, ngayon, accuracy test. Yung rear sight pala niya, actually ngayon naka-testing na to. Ayan, rear sight niya, bilog. So, si-center mo lang siguro sa bilog. Okay, so, testingin natin. Alright, so the target box is 2.3 meters away from me and yung tatargeting ko is 2 inches in diameter yung size. Okay? So, try nga natin. Center. Okay. Alright, so pasok naman lahat. Okay. So, ginawa ko is itong fiber optic, ginilagay ko lang sa loob ng bilog. Ginit na ako. So, picturean ko para makita mo kung ano yung result, no? So, siguro pag binaba ko pa, mas mababa pa siya. Yung hits. So, ganun siya. Pero okay na rin kasi sabol naman yung 2 inches na target. Okay? So, ayan. Right? So, ayan. Nag-open na yung slide. Removing the magazine. Wala nang bala. Hammer down. Okay? So, ayun, Sir Ramil, okay na tong unit mo. So, I'm going to pack it now and then papadala ko na siya sa inyo. Alright? So, thank you for your order, sir. Until next transaction, always remember to stay safe, stay great, be good, and be thankful always. God bless you, sir. Bye-bye.